Yet another way that the theories of interdisciplinary studies are similar is that they all involve some level of creation. Compared to disciplinarians, interdisciplinarians create new and practical ideas by putting different elements of different disciplines together. According to the theory of conceptual integration, which has been studied by linguists and cultural anthropologists, this theory suggests that humans have an innate ability to create new meaning by blending concepts and creating new ones. Some researchers have found that our brains take parts of two separate concepts and integrate them into a third concept that contains some properties, but not all, of both original concepts. The textbook provides the example of the nickname Iron Lady, referring to the former British Prime Minister, Margaret Thatcher. The phrase represents an integration of the concept of iron, a heavy metal used in construction because it's strong, and the concept of lady, a woman who holds some type of political rank. The theory of conceptual integration has been further extended by some researchers who suggest that in order to fully understand a concept, we have to understand the context in which it was created, developed, and exists. So once again, this includes things like the historical context, the social context, the cultural context, the economic context, the geographical context, and so on.